Muskmelon is approximately 90% water, making it an excellent choice for staying hydrated, especially during hot weather. It is a good source of vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in supporting the immune system. It helps produce white blood cells that fight infections. The beta-carotene in it is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for healthy vision and can help prevent night blindness and age-related macular degeneration. It contains potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and fluid balance. It is rich in fiber, which promotes digestive health by keeping the digestive system functioning smoothly. With its low calorie and fat content, it is a satisfying snack for those aiming to lose weight. The high water content also contributes to a feeling of fullness. Some research suggests that muskmelon may help reduce inflammation, improve blood sugar control, and promote healthy skin and hair. It is a good source of folate, which is crucial for preventing birth defects. Supports the immune system and aids in iron absorption. Helps maintain blood pressure and fluid balance.